Hey, fifth grade, Ms. Trevino again. I wanted to go over some resources that can help you with your writing today. So I'm in, for example, Ms. Nixon's classroom. We're going to classwork. Let's look at the assignment you have today. So today's Thursday, March 26th. You have a writing assignment, a writing prompt for road trip. Okay. Oops. It says, in the story Road Trip, Daniel must find ways to make the time pass during his family's long road trip to Disney World. He soon discovers that listening to his parents' stories makes the time go by quickly. Describe a time when you had to find ways to make time go by. Did your family take a long road trip? Did you have to wait in a long line? What did you do to make time pass? Write your answer on the Google Docs sheet listed below and make sure you submit the document the same way you submit your diary. So, you're answering that prompt. Now, we practice brainstorming both with me, and you practice brainstorming with Miss Nixon and Miss Barriero. So, I'm going to show you, we're going to go to my classroom that you're in, Ms. Trevino's 4th grade, right? Classwork, class drive folder. We're going to go to ELAR resources. This is where you're going to find different resources that you can use. So, like I said, brainstorming. I have a lot of graphic organizers in here that you can use to help you brainstorm. Okay, so this one's a sequencing one. First, next, then, after that, then, finally, right? So it keeps everything in order, in sequential order. Okay, we have a shorter one, beginning, middle, end. This one is also, it's sideways, I'm sorry, it's another sequencing one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, you have 6 squares, and you would put it in order. You have this bubble one, okay. Talk about your topic, and then for details that you want to focus in on, there's a regular word web that'll give you ideas for brainstorming all the types of things that you did while you were on that trip. Okay, so you can use these graphic organizers to help plan out your ideas. In here I also have examples on how to write complete sentences, right? Because it's important that we all year long we worked on writing complete sentences and using proper grammar, punctuation, capitalization, okay? So over here, what makes a sentence? Okay, we have a who, a what, a where, and a when, right? So the boy ran to the swing at recess. It's a complete sentence. Okay, so make sure we're using capital letters, punctuation. There's also an anchor chart here, like writing a complete sentence, okay? And it goes over everything that goes into a complete sentence. Okay, so these are just some resources that you can use that will help you with your writing. Let me know if you need anything else. Remember, I'm here for you, and just reach out to me if you need me.